Kathy, and we're the Thrive Life Sisters. We're excited to show you about honey today.
So honey comes in a powder form and can be used in many different ways. You can actually sprinkle it on like muffins at the top. You can actually put it in.
I use it in my herbal tea all the time. It's just like, here, let me turn it this way so you can see what it looks like. Ooh, there it is. So like this. In your herbal tea, then it's great. It's so easy to use, and we're going to actually refresh it just to show you. So in about half a cup of hot water and about that one's a good one. Okay. 2.5 tablespoons of the honey crystals makes the honey. So 2, and I'll give a little half in there.
Now this right here will make liquid honey. Now it really is, I've done it several times, and depending on the temperature in the room will have an effect on if it'll crystallize or not. And that's a little bit, so it's a little bit sensitive. So right now what we're doing is we're just melting all of the honey crystals. And then,
to be honest, I never refresh it.
Oh,
ever.
Don't you?
No,
I do.
I always just use it dry. And like you said, on muffins, like banana muffins, sprinkling on the top, and you get the honey crystals. And on, like I said, in my herbal tea is when I use it the most. You can also make like a honey butter. I have some friends of mine that do that, and they just take the honey and add it to butter. You have beautiful honey butter. So it's just an easy way to be able to use our honey crystals in a crystallized form.
So once it cools, it'll be liquid honey. But then again, like I said, the temperature in the room makes a difference, whether it's going to crystallize at the top or if it's going to stay liquid honey. So
I kind of like the crystally stuff on top, having that crunch. But there's your honey. It will
the
set
honey
and not be as runny, but then it thickens like honey.
So that's our honey. It's great. It's very versatile. We like it, and it's kind of handy to have just in the pantry. So
remember to
share,
like, and follow.